Hello, in this video we'll show you the outer diameter roughing with facing tool. Click New. Select Lather roughing. Select by operation. Press Create. Double-click on the Lather roughing. No need to make changes in the tool. Make changes in feed and depth of cut if necessary. If we need canned cycle, see this option. Also, we can skip radius. Click OK. Reset and run. Now we'll also save this tool and store. Just rename. Right-click and save as user operation. Apply and OK. Now you can see that the tool has been added to the library. For now, we can see the simulation. We can see that stock has been left as given. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.